If you're willing to do this, you can change your own oil. I'm looking at the wrong spot on the cell phone for the camera, so I probably look cross-eyed, but who cares? All right, back to changing oil.
Welcome to Nick D's Garage. Today we'll be changing the oil on a 2020 Ram 1500 3.6 liter. There's the canister filter. There's the oil cap. Takes 520. Pop that off. Usually put it on the hood latch to remind you if you forget. You'll need a 15/16 wrench or socket. Also grab a rag for cleanliness. I used a wrench because I thought I didn't have a socket on that size, but I eventually found one. So when I put the canister filter back in, you'll see that I'm using a ratchet with an extension, a swivel, and a 15/16 socket. Obviously, the wrench is not the ideal tool for this job. Keep turning the canister counterclockwise until it comes out. Use a rag to try to keep it clean. There's the new oil filter. It comes with a new O-ring, actually 2 new O-rings. A small one on the tip and the larger one that goes on the plastic canister that you should replace every time you change your oil. Give it a tug. Should come apart pretty easily. Grab a pick, an awl, or a small flathead screwdriver and remove the old O-ring and install the new O-ring. Try to make sure it's set good or sitting good. Rub some oil on it. Take the new oil filter and clip it right into place. It should be a satisfying snap. Install the oil filter by turning it clockwise. It should start to get a little bit tighter because it's hitting the O-ring. Here's the ratchet, extension, swivel, and 15/16 socket. This is way overkill for doing this. You could do it with a 3/8 ratchet, no problem. Tighten until snug. I'm sure there's some sort of torque spec on it. You can look that up if you really want to know. But tight is good enough for me. Hold on to your horses and grab a 13mm socket and a ratchet.
Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That was tight. That's good. And then get your dream looking like right there, the edge. You want it to be a little bit past where the dream plug's at. Because when it comes backwards, you know, it's gonna make a mess. And this is your driveway. It's hot. That's the best time to change the oil. Because it's when it's the thinnest. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, I got it. Rescue mission complete. Yeah!
I sped up the draining process. There you go. So you don't have to watch.
Yeah, you can clearly see there's a drain plug going into an oil pan. See, this is a weird angle. Toy. Grab your rag. Wipe her down. Wipe her down real good. Like you were waxing a Ferrari.
These are the things that happen in Tricky Nicky's garage.
Watch out.
Watch out.
All right, there we go. I'm just gonna matches the funnel. I'm gonna try to get this in there like a boss. Gotta go a little slow because this funnel is got a small hole. Yeah. You said it takes like 7 quarts?
Yeah.
We could probably put 6 in it and then start it.
Yeah.
This takes forever. Is this over yet?
More time passes.
More time. This is when people stop watching the video. All right, losing patience. As long as it's not backfilling up the fill tube, we're good. One quart more. Start and recheck. And it's a feel thing you develop after you do 7,000 oil changes. About a 4/10 of a quart more. You want to be specific? Yep. Good. We got it on the 4. I'm gonna pull the funnel. Put this in there. If I can get the key in, we're good. Oil pressure is looking good. We'll zoom in on it for you if you don't believe me. Medium. Schmedium. Now we're going to check the oil level. Stick it in. Pull it out. You want to go to the grid side. And it looks like it needs about 3/4 of a quart more. So we'll fill and recheck. Up.
What do I do?
Alright, where are we at? That's exactly what I wanted. Check this out. And man, time to recheck. I'm actually gonna give her the wipe down. for accuracy. Where's those chains at? Perfecto. Look at that oil glistening.
Right on the money.
Bing!
Put the oil cap back on. Double check a little bit. Check for seepage around the canister. It's kind of hard to get a camera in there, but you can see that it's slightly blurry. You can see that it's actually not leaking. Now that you have changed your oil, it's time to reset your oil life. Put your key in the ignition, turn it to the accessory position, or I think it's 2 clicks in, I believe. Then we're gonna go over to vehicle information somehow. You hit these up and down buttons, and you see all those little dots. That means there's more information to be had on this menu. So it's on Bluetooth. We're gonna hit this right button right here. Over 1, over 2, over to 3. And it says 31% oil life. We're gonna hold that play button. This one right here. Sorry for the weird accent, it's just how I explain things sometimes. And then we're gonna hold it and see what happens. And then it looks like we're gonna go down. We hit the down button, and then it goes to OK. And we hit that upper play button right here, just so you know. 100%. If you like this video, drop a comment. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did right, and tell me what I didn't do. Give me the thumbs up button, and I'll be back for more. Thanks very much, guys and girls. Thanks, YouTube.